Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to use the offline maps on your Google Maps and you are wondering how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can launch the application for that. You can open up the Maps application, and when you're using the Maps application, ensure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then you can download an offline map. So for that, you can go to your Maps application and tap on it. And then once you are in the maps, you can access your profile in the top right corner and go ahead and tap on it. So do so, tap on your profile. And within your profile, what you need to do is look out for the option called offline maps. From the menu, select it. And once you select it, you can just go over and select your own map. Tap on this option right there, select area or select your own map. You just need to go ahead and pinch and zoom. You can just go and pinch and zoom to a certain area. And I'll move the blue box or this white box right here to cover the region that you want. And you just need to look out for this download option and tap on it. And you can rename it for easier management. So you can just go over and download it like this. It may take about some seconds, and you can even rename it for easier management. Once it is done, what you need to do is you just need to turn off your Wi-Fi once the map is downloaded. And normally open up the map application on your device. And once you open it up, the app will automatically use the downloaded map for browsing, zooming, and getting driving directions within the area. You will be getting basic map details and driving routes. You won't be seeing live transit or bicycling or walking directions when you're offline, but you should be pretty much getting what you're looking for. So that is it, everybody. That is the method you can follow up to use the offline maps on Google Maps. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.